Wiser versus Blinkist versus Headway. If you want to read more books but don't always have the time, Wiser, Blinkist, and Headway can help. They all offer book summaries so you can learn the key ideas from non-fiction books in just a few minutes. But even they sound familiar, there are some important differences in how they work, who they're best for. Alright, so let's go ahead and start with Blinkist. So Blinkist is one of the most well-known summary apps out there. It gives you short, easy to understand summaries of books, usually around 15 minutes in length. You can read them or listen to the audio. It covers a wide range of topics like self-help, business, psychology, and more. Blinkist is a great way if you want to quickly understand the main ideas of a book without reading the whole thing. Next up, we have Headway. So, Headway is a lot like Blinkist, but it's designed with more of a visual and motivational twist. It uses colourful graphics, achievements, and streaks to keep you going. The summaries are short, snappy, and often include quotes or key takeaways. It also offers personalized reading goals and daily recommendations, which make it feel more like a habit building app. Headway is perfect if you want to learn to feel more fun and engaging. Now, let's talk about Wiser. Alright, so Wiser is a newer app and it's a bit different. Instead of just giving you summaries, Wiser focuses on insightful lessons from books, podcasts, and other expert sources. It's designed more like a learning tool than a summary reader. Wiser then organizes content around themes like leadership, productivity, or personal growth. It's great for people who want to go deeper into ideas and apply them in real life, not just skim the surface. So, how do you choose? So, if you want quick, clear book takeaways from a huge library, Blinkist is a solid choice. But if you prefer a more playful, gamified experience that keeps you motivated, then try Headway. Lastly, if you're more focused on learning useful ideas you can apply, not just reading summaries, then Wiser might be right for you. In the end, all three apps help you learn faster and smarter. You just have to pick the one that fits your style the best.